Hi, I'm Mary Director and I'm a Fun Stampers Journey Coach. Thanks for stopping by my page today, KreatesKards Journey with Mary Director. We're testing for just a minute. Turn the volume off.
Where's the volume?
F, whatever. Okay, Hal's helping me. This is the first time I've done a live video in ages, so definitely bear with me. Hal's going to watch the questions, so if you have any questions as I'm going through this, feel free to type them in, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Let me know where you're viewing from. I'm here in Chandler, Arizona. It's absolutely gorgeous here, 80-some degrees today. Do we have anybody online with us yet? No, not yet. I'm just going to double check to make sure he's set up properly, so you're going to see our vertical blinds for just a minute. Okay, so yeah, this is where you're
On a light.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the position of the camera.
You're not on the camera. Oh, there you are.
Sorry, there's a delay. So what you're seeing is going to be delayed to the computer. So there's a couple seconds delay. Sorry, we're working this out. Like I said, it's the first time I've done a live video in ages. So Fun Stampers Journey has a mystery box promotion during the month of February. For every $100 you have in an order, you get one free mystery box, and the mystery box is valued at a minimum of $50, and then that one is automatically added to your order. You don't have to put in an item number. The second item mystery box that's available is MB-002. That one costs $25 plus tax and shipping, and that one you get a minimum of $100 in value. Now, all of the items in the mystery boxes are retired, so they're items that are no longer currently available. And hold on here, let me.
You got people there.
Oh, great. Hal said we've got people watching. Hi, everyone. Hi, Sharon. I see you just signed in.
Lisa Hawkins.
Hi, Lisa. And then, so anyway, the mystery boxes is this phenomenal promotion. And I happen to get 2 of the free ones and 1 of the purchased ones. So this way, I'm going to show you what's in my boxes. Now, in the ones that we can purchase, the $25 ones, there's a chance of a golden unicorn. And the golden unicorn, if it's in one of my boxes, and I'm kind of hoping it is, this box was so jam-packed that the lid doesn't shut. Even when I press it down, it won't close completely. So I'll show that one at the end. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Kathy. So anyway, if you get the golden unicorn, if you happen to be one of the lucky 5 people during the month that get the golden unicorn, you're going to get a beautiful Journey Girl tote bag that's black and white striped. It's awesome. And then also you get $175 worth of current Fun Stampers Journey product. I mean, it's absolutely an amazing deal. Okay, I'm going to reverse the camera and so that you can see them as I open them. And Lisa, I see that you're showing it's snowing. You need to move to Arizona. It's absolutely gorgeous here. We're ready to put on shorts. And also this way you'd be closer to Fun Stampers Journey Corporate. My order shipped yesterday. I got it today. Yay! Hi, Melissa. Good to see you signing in too. Okay, I'm going to reverse the camera, so bear with me for a minute. You get to see my kitchen. Okay, wait a minute. This is going to take just a second. Okay, the first box I'm going to open is one of the free ones. Okay, is it showing well in the...
You got the shadow from the...
From what?
Stand.
Okay, wait a minute. What is it? Right in here?
Yeah.
Where my hand is?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to reverse this just a minute here. Okay, turn that light on then. I apologize. We're trying to do this the best we can. Does that work?
No. Good shadow.
Oh, guys, I'm really sorry.
That's better.
Can
It's not
we?
great,
Can
but
you?
it's
Well,
better.
can you shift it?
There, it's about as good as it gets.
Okay. There's a mystery box card, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your box of goodies, hand-packed for you by a member of the Journey Crew." And our Journey Crew is A+. And it says, "Receive an item that's already in your collection. Spread the love. Introduce a friend to Fun Stamper's Journey by passing along your duplicate stamp set, ATS or die. Don't forget to include a personally handcrafted card showing what they can do with your gift." Oh my gosh, I love it. This is one of my favorite laces. This is vintage lace. If you go back through my blog, you're going to see lots of cards used with this. This is wonderful. Then I got an ATS stamp called Cornucopia with gratitude, and it says with gratitude. It's a set of 2 stamps. I haven't had that one before, so that's awesome. Actually, all of this is awesome. It's free. I got it with a $100 order. I also got Spooky Prints, which is 6x6 paper, double-sided. Look at those great designs. Oop, wait a minute. That puts it in the shadow. Let me try it this way. Give you an idea. Oh, look at the skeletons. Or skulls. I guess they'd be skulls, not skeletons. Oh, I like the kitties. Just some great paper. Then I got Springfield stamps. Now, I honestly didn't, I've been a coach now for 2 years. I didn't have this one before, so this is fantastic. And I got the matching die set. This is phenomenal. Look at those great. Here's the flowers. This die set could be used by itself. So I have a matching die set. I got a paper pack, an ATS stamp, my absolute favorite lace ribbons, and the postcard. So this was the first box I got. That was the free one. Here's the second one. Now we know there could be a duplicate in here. That's okay. Again, these were free with a $100 order. Postcard. Oh, I gotta look different. This one is Haunted Screams, and it's got a raven and a stamp, so it's a set of 2 stamps, and it's an ATS. Let me bring it up a little closer for you. Again, these are all retired products. This is Journey Brad's Winter Fresh. They have a metallic look to them, and they also are glittery. They're green and red. Awesome, awesome Brads. Oh, and I got a different paper pack. Oh, I like these boxes. These are great. Backyard Party Prints, and again 6x6. Look at these great. Oh, I apologize. It's tight paper pack. So you can see the front and the back. That looks like watermelon. This must have been with the barbecue set, so probably last summer's. Okay. Oh, and then a different die. Look at the, oh, I even, you know what, this is cool. The things that have appeared in both of these, other than the lace, are things that I actually haven't ordered before. So this is phenomenal for me. This is Fly Away, which is hot air balloons. And it says, every cloud has a silver lining, go soar. And then here's the matching die set. I mean, the stamps and the dies alone are probably around $35 to $38. So this is great. I got a stamp die set, paper pack, package of Brads, an ATS, and then the card thanking us from Fun Stamper's Journey. That again was a free one. So I got the 2 free boxes because I had $200 in orders in one party, and I was the hostess. So I didn't pay anything for the products in these. Now here's the one I purchased. Hal, have we had any questions so
No.
far? If you guys have any questions, please ask. Feel free to ask. And take a minute to say hi. Let me know you're out there. I really appreciate you watching my live video. Now this one is the one that could have the golden unicorn. Let's hope. And again, it was so stuffed that, as you can see here, the stuffing's coming out. And it doesn't close completely. Okay, it's filled with, oh, wait a minute. It's got the little postcard. Hi, Kathy. It's got all these goodies. So this would be fun to put inside a little box if I made, did a little package. Lots of funfetti type things. Okay. Oh, this one I haven't seen this before. This is an AT-0029. This is probably one of the early ones. This says King on it. It's got a crown. Again, this is the box that I paid $25 for. I'm guaranteed a minimum of $100 in this box. Haunted Screams. Now this one was in the other box, so this is the one duplicate so far. And I also got some of the Journey Brads. These I think are the same ones that was in the other box, but that's fine. Always can use brads, and these are perfect at the holidays. The red would be perfect at Valentine's Day too. Here's some really cute wooden buttons. These are called wooden accents. Now, I watched another video, and the person that was doing their video said that these could actually be painted because they're wood, that we could use our silks on them, any, things like that if you want, or our silks, or even our re-inkers to paint them to change the color. I got a paper pack. This is Autumn Prints, so this is different than the other one I had, the other two that I got. Give you an idea of the different. This is exciting. This is wonderful product. We know with Fun Stampers Journey, we always get quality product. Oh, a Spooky Prints. Now, the Spooky Prints and the Haunted Screams are duplicates. They might just have to go out to somebody. If you guys leave some comments, what I'll do is after the live video and later tonight, we'll give other people a chance to post. I will pick one winner, and I'll send the Haunted Screams and the Spooky Prints. But you have to leave a comment on my video below. Oh wow, look at this. This is a stamp set. I haven't seen this one before, or if I have, I don't remember it. It's stitched borders. Look at this. I mean, there is going to be so much that I can do with this stamp set. I love it. Looks just like ribbons. This is great. This is great. Monster Mash. This is a set of 12 stamps. Love this. Love, love, love the haunted house. Oh, wow. Look at this. I got the matching die set. This is great. This is just great. Again, this is another set I didn't have. So this is great for my collection. Oh, no golden unicorn, but I have one more stamp set, and this is one that I don't have either. It's called Christmas Melody. I can just see this in the front of Christmas cards. So I got one full-size stamp set, no, actually two full-size stamp sets, and then a bundle, which is a full-size stamp set and dies, two paper packs, brads, buttons, an ATS, and also another ATS, all this for $25. Oh, and plus, I got confetti. So anyway, be sure you leave a comment below I'll let the comments run through tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'll go in and I'll pick one winner for the Spooky Prince and the Haunted Screams stamp set. So I'll give this away to one viewer today. Now I'm going to go ahead and reverse the camera again, so bear with me. You're probably going to see my ceiling. There we go. Oh, Sissy, I agree. That Christmas set is unbelievable. It's just great. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really impressed about what was put in each one of these mystery boxes. This is quality merchandise. Between these 3 boxes, I have a $25 investment, but I have $200 worth of product. Oh, Sharon, I agree. The lace border stamp set is absolutely gorgeous. I haven't used that one before, and I can see that is going to be one that I could use a great deal. Hi, Sharon. Thanks for stopping in. I see we've got a few more people joining us. Anyway, again, I'm going to. If anyone has questions, go ahead and ask. Otherwise, I'll close up in just a minute. I'm going to give away these 2 items to anyone viewing my my video, whether you're watching it live or watching the replay. Today's Wednesday. Is it the 7th?
Yeah.
Okay, today's Wednesday the 7th. So you can leave comments through tonight, through midnight Mountain Time tonight, and tomorrow morning I will draw a winner, and whoever the winner is, I will send you these 2 items. I really appreciate everyone stopping by my blog, well, not my blog, my Facebook page, KreatesKards Journey with Mary Director. And oh, Sharon Baker, no problem. What I'll do at the very end of this video, I'll click finished, and then it will post to my page. So you can go back in and watch it from the very beginning. Some phenomenal deals. I have 2 that were the free boxes because I had $200 in orders. So each $100 gave me a free box. And then also I had 1 that I paid $25 for. So thanks everyone for stopping, and I'll post the winner tomorrow. Thanks again. Any last minute questions before I sign off? Highly recommend ordering the mystery boxes. Phenomenal deals, and you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. Okay, well, thank you everyone for signing in. It'll take a minute for this to finish and reload to my page so you can watch it from the very beginning. Again, my Facebook page is KreatesKards Journey with Mary Director. My business website is funstampersjourney.com/Mary Director. And I have a blog. It's KreatesKardsJourney.blogspot.com. Thanks again.